It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. How could I ever move alone? They tell me to be strong. You're the reason I was holding on. The bond that we have, it can never be broke. I see your face everywhere I go. I hear your voice and it soothes my soul. Yeah, baby, I miss the way that you smile. I miss our little talks, late night snacks, movies and dates. I miss it all. I love you, mama, see you when it's my call. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Whatever may occur, you supported my dreams, my dreams, my dreams. On the stage where I love to sing, or on the field with my football team. You touched so many and I'm grateful for that. Promise to live how you taught me to be. 3 forever, dad, mommy and me. Yeah, mommy, I miss the way that you smile. Remember all that you taught. Late night sneaking out and late night getting caught. I love you, mama, see you when it's my call. So let the light guide you home. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take, I hope it sees you home. It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We come a long way from my first apartment, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. I can only imagine what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine what my eyes will see when your face is before me. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Will I stand in your presence? To my knees, or will I fall? Will I sing? able to speak at all. I can only imagine.
Though I'm missing you, although I'll find a way to get through. I'll find a way. Living without you, 'cause you were my sister, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by. Who would have known that you'd have to go so suddenly, so fast? How could it be that our sweet memories would be all that we have made? Now that you're gone, every day I go on, but life's just not the same.